Okay guys, so it's been a day and look what happened. So when I use the polygel, I have really short nails. Let me just start off with that. And it broke off, but it didn't break off here. It broke off at the tip part. So I feel like the reason why it broke off, and if it broke off for you too, then I'm about to see if this trick works. But I'm gonna take some nails like this so that when I put the polygel on top, it has support. Okay, so I'm gonna start to take this finger off and I'm just gonna file it down. Okay, so I filed it off. It's just my nail now, and as you can see, my nails are really short. I'm gonna take this, and I think I'm not gonna put it on this way. I'm not gonna put it on like this. I'm going to actually cut it off so that all I have left is the tip. So I'm taking some scissors and I'm just gonna cut that off. Okay, so I stuck it on. No, I'm kidding. I would never do that to you guys. But this is how it looks. I'm going in with my drill so that this will go a lot faster. So now it's nice and flat. I just want to get those edges so that they do not lift, because we don't want this to lift. Okay, so I filed it down. This is how it looks, and I'm going to make it nice and dry so that the polygel can stick. So I'm taking all the oil out of my hands. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the polygel just like the instructions, except I have a tip attached, and the slip solution I'm gonna be using is 70% alcohol. I think you can use 90 too. I just don't have that, so I'm pouring it. Yo, I'm spilling it everywhere. I was trying to be cute. Anyway, so then I'm gonna take this. This is the tool that it came with. It looks like this. And then I already have the shape I'm gonna do since I'm just fixing one nail. So let's get started. Then I'm gonna take the nail primer and I'm gonna put it on the entire thing, just because I know that polygel supposedly doesn't stick to acrylic. We're about to find out. I'm about to put it to the test right now. So now I have my nail former, and the color I'm gonna use is light pink. And it's about the same. Don't put it too close to the skin. Leave a gap so that it doesn't lift. Okay, so I'm gonna put it for 60 seconds and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, so we're about to pop it off. My nails look hella ashy, but it's okay. So, okay. It's hard. Okay, so I filed the nail down. This is how it looks. And it worked. Putting the acrylic underneath, I think it worked. I think it did it really nice. And if you think about it, like, where is it gonna go? It's It's not going nowhere because it's trapped under the polygel. Also, I like this way better because when I did polygel alone with the nail formers, I would have mad polygel right where my finger is, right here. But then the acrylic nail prevents that from happening, and that means that my nail's not gonna lift. So I already liked polygel, but now I like it even more because I can use it with tips. So I'm gonna paint this nail, and then I'm gonna come back and you're gonna see the final look. Okay, so this is the final look. This is how my nails came out. All in all, I will say that the tips work. It gave me no problems. It was really easy. I will come back if anything wrong happens, but I think it's gonna be okay. But yeah, don't forget to like this video so that I know you guys enjoy watching this type of content, and also leave a comment down below if you guys tried this idea, if you've tried it before, if you had any issues. And finally, do not forget to subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.